Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. It's amazing what a difference a few degrees can make to our perception of heat. Temperatures are still running high around here for March, but compared to last week's historic inferno, even a hot breeze suddenly feels refreshing. The milder weather should hold out until this weekend. A top of 24 degrees in Toowoomba today after falling to 13 this morning. Not that cool, just average, but it's lovely. Warwick got to 26, Dalby 29 and Kingaroy 25. Let's look to the satellite loop now. You can see the focus is all on far north Queensland. Surprise, surprise. Once you get past about Frosty Mangoes heading towards Townsville and southward, it's all really pretty benign. Showers are just very isolated, spread apart and mostly light. And in some places it's been completely dry. Still some storms blowing up around near the western border, of course, as well. Now let's have a look at today's chart. Firstly, on the surface, we've got that standard ridge of high pressure along the east coast. The high itself is just below the page. It's sort of in the Southern Ocean there, so you can't see it. But this is a pretty standard autumn pattern, which we haven't seen now for a long time, except for that little stubborn low in the Tasman Sea. It's not normally there at this time of year. Tomorrow's chart, low moves a bit further out, kind of disappears. Ridge along the coast weakens a bit, so because the winds won't be as strong in the far north and the upper levels more stable, the rain will quickly break up. And then on the outlook chart, we've still got nice cool to mild conditions with southeasterly winds blowing up and down the coast, but the winds will be lighter. Latest now from the Weather Bureau. Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast, a minor flood warning for the lower Condamine. Chance of an afternoon shower on the Granite Belt. It's just an outside chance. It'll be mostly sunny. 30 degrees for Dalby, Gundawindi 32, 25 Toowoomba and Warwick 27. For the southeast coast, 40% chance of just light showers. Gatton and Ipswich 30 degrees. Brisbane 29. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, a slight rise in temperature through this week with a peak on Friday when showers are most likely, then mild again for the weekend and mostly sunny. Warwick's much the same. If you had to bet on rain, it would be Friday. We've got a 50% chance. It's reasonable. And then basically staying in the high 20s. Dalby's much the same. Once the weekend comes, the chance of rain drops to 5%, which is virtually a guarantee of fine weather. And that is all for this evening, folks. My pleasure to have your company, and thank you again for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more. Hope you can join me then. But now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
If you missed anything, you can catch it again on our 7 Plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.